So moving on. So the next thing we want to talk about is plugin manager. The reason that we need plugin manager is there are a lot of plugins that are not inbuilt in JMeter. The 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 core component of JMeter does not come with all the plugins in it. So the way we can go to the plugins, or we can see what are the plugins that we can find on JMeter, and that is, for the plugins we can just do the quick Google search. Already, so over here you can see browse plugins. These are all the plugins that are for JMeter. In case if we need it, we can download it, and once we download it, we can put these plugins in the lib folder of our JMeter installation. So if you look at this website, there are a whole bunch of plugins that so instead of doing it one by one, the way we can do it is we can install the JMeter plugin manager. Once we have the plugin manager, then installing from plugin managers make life way more easy. Okay, so we're gonna install the plugin manager. So click on plugin manager, have the jar, keep it. Okay, like I said, we have to put this jar in the lib ext folder. So all you have to do is just, you can drag. I think dragging is not gonna work here, but you guys got the concept that we have to get this jar right here. Let's say show in folder. Alrighty, so now we have this plugin manager in this folder. Now all we have to do is just restart the JMeter and we will be able to see plugin manager. So let's do the quick restart. Alrighty, so restart it. We can go to the bin folder, executable jar. We got our JMeter up. So now if we go to options, we can see the plugin manager right here. Let's click on plugin manager, and once you click on plugin manager, this is the window that you guys will see, and over here we can see the whole lot of plugins. So like over here you guys can see there are 3 tabs. The very first tab is installed plugins. It will tell us what are the plugins that are already installed on JMeter, and then there's another one which is available plugins, which will tell us what are the available plugins and the upgrades in case if the installed plugins have any upgrade. Over here it will tell us what are the upgrades. In case if we want to see like, okay, what exactly does each and every of these plugins do, we can just click and we can go through the whole list. Like, it will explain us what exactly will it do, and it will if we click on this documentation, it will take us to the specific documentation which will tell us each and every detail about this specific plugin. This is all there is to the plugin. So it all depends on what exactly are we trying to achieve, and you guys can go from there. Okay, thank you.